Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and today we're going to be talking about the stock AgEagle Aerial Systems, ticker symbol UAVS. UAVS is trading right now at $6.15, and we hit a day high of about $7.23. So the last couple of days, this stock has been killing it. So what is UAVS? UAVS, on their website, they say they are engaged in creating drones for commercial use, but they also do much more. We also enable capturing, imaging, editing, and analyzing of images and data captured by drones. So why is this company so big? So a few months back, there was a rumor that these guys had a collaboration with Amazon. Talks of maybe Amazon buying them out. Their logo appeared in a video that showed them working with Amazon. So since then, this stock has been on the radar for a lot of investors, and just recently it started to break out. Is this stock a buy? This is their most recent Q3 call. You can see they have a record revenue of $750,000 compared to only $42,000 in the same period last year, which is always something you want to see. So they are a growing company. Their gross profit margin on sales also improved to 43% from 21%. They did lose a little bit more money, but for a growing company, that is not always the worst thing. But the biggest thing that I want to show is that they have $24.7 million of cash on hand, and they have no debt. So as a company, you want to make sure that your company has no debt and you're making money. So as we can see that the revenues have increased year over year, they have cash on hand, and they have no long-term debt. I am actually quite bullish on this stock long-term. I think drones are the future, and they're also the present. With non-contactless delivery, I think drones are going to be a very disruptive force to be reckoned with. Right now we're seeing autonomous driving, but I think this is that next level up. And I feel like if you are a pioneer in this industry, you are going to do well. And for investors, I feel like a very good opportunity is this company being bought out by a bigger dog, which is a potential scenario, as we did see that video with the collaboration with Amazon. So that is definitely something good to see. And this is a very brand new industry. There hasn't really been anything like this before. So I personally like to invest into innovation and companies that are going to be disruptive in the future. So now I want to take you guys to the UAVS stock chart. For those of you thinking about wanting to get in or wanting to get out, I want to show you guys exactly what I see on this chart. So we are looking at UAVS right now on the daily time frame, and as you can see, there has been a wedge pattern that has been forming since July 8th, and we recently broke out of it on December 15th. So the last couple of trading days for UAVS have been extraordinary. We have seen a 2x in share price, and one thing I want new investors to be wary about is the fact you don't want to catch this stock at the top. So if we zoom in a little bit more, you can see this red candle. There has been a lot more selling than buying today. The price has risen up with no stock news whatsoever. So that is very scary sometimes because there is no foundation on this run. So you want to be careful of pump and dumps. So if you are an investor trying to get in, maybe wait a little bit, let the dust settle, because right now there has been more selling than buying. But that being said, these type of stocks, when they run, they run. Right now, there is very strong volume going into this stock, so this could keep going. But if you are trying to make a lot of money, I feel like your opportunity has passed. We did hit some resistance up top, and we did bounce down. That's definitely a lot of profit taking, and the volume is still quite high. So if you are a new investor, you don't want to be catching the stock at the top. You don't want to be holding the bag, because again, there is no foundation for this run up. And again, you also have to remember that the markets are at all-time highs. Yeah, if you are in this stock for the long term, I think you will do quite well on this position. I think this company, financially, they're not in a bad situation. They're actually very well off. At the same time, I think them being a pioneer in this industry gives them a lot of advantages going forward. And so long term, I think you guys should be fine in this stock. I personally really like this stock. And for traders trying to get in, I just would be a little bit careful just because we are We did see a lot of selling today, and we have had a huge run up in this stock. So based off of no news, but we did break out of this pattern, and we are creating a bull flag. So that is something that's very positive to see. And I'm huge on this stock. So for those of you who are in this stock, congratulations who caught the run up. Those of you who are invested long term, also congratulations to you guys. That's all I wanted to talk about in today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update where I think UAVS is heading and what we are seeing today. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy. I will see you guys in the next video.